In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message on this device. You need to start by opening Messages app. Now select one of your chats and tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner of it. Then click on Files. Finally, you can pick them from here or tap on those two filters, Audio and Videos. You can also select those three lines at the top left corner and select one of those sources. I will go with Audio. Now hold your file that you wish to add, and when you're ready, click Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my file was successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!